At Osca Sistemas, we create solutions in the hydraulic sector with the most advanced and innovative technology. We continually invest in state-of-the-art machinery to achieve the highest levels of requirement and precision in our products. Our specialized service covers the design and manufacture of rigid pipes, flexible pipes, manifold blocks and hydraulic installations, being guaranteed by the highest quality standards. We automate our processes, increasing our flexibility and production capacity. We are a highly qualified team with a large investment in R&D in spacious and modern facilities that take care of our planet. More than 40% of our energy comes from renewable sources. Osca Sistemas, advanced fluid technology.